How do you choose a dentist? According to me, the three qualities that people look out for in their dentists are credibility, experience, and compassion. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Abhinav Kathuria and I am a periodontist and implantologist and the co-founder at Espin Dental. Our objective at Espin Dental is to provide specialty dental services in a center that has state-of-the-art infrastructure and equipment by doctors who are experienced and compassionate. As a specialist periodontist, my job is to treat adult patients for dental implants, cosmetic dental services, and rehabilitation and restoration of all the teeth.
As an orthodontist, I strongly believe that you have to have an aesthetic eye, lot of compassion and patience when you are doing your patient. The process of braces or any kind of orthodontics is a long process. So there's an association that forms between the patient and the doctor. So compassion and kindness goes hand in hand. Of late, we have shifted our practice to the most sophisticated braces systems and invisible solutions for our patients like Damon Clear, 3M self-ligation systems and Invisalign, which is as of now the clear choice for somebody who doesn't want to show their braces at all. So if you're looking for something which is invisible and still would correct your smile beautifully, just like braces, you can visit us. I'll be your smile expert waiting for you to give you the best possible guidance.
The pure innocence of a child's smile and treating them, it just brings a certain joy that is incomparable. It brings a feeling of such satisfaction. There is this quote by Graham Wright that he says that however perfect the dentistry or the treatment is, the appointment is a failure if the child departs in tears. This is something I believe in with all my heart. We have an extremely kid-friendly environment and the entire staff here, we strive to make sure that the child comes here, is happy, feels safe, and the appointment is a productive one.
So I was looking for a very good orthodontist. As you can see, I'm already wearing braces. So I came and consulted Dr. Ramneet Kaur. She's an orthodontist and she's really amazing at her work. Whatever queries a client has, she gets into the depth of it and she explains it really nicely. And I just want to say that she's amazing. I think you guys must visit her, whatever problems you are facing according to your smile or whatever it is. I think my smile has got so much better since I met her. She's like a friend. She's not like a very professional that you go and that she will show any attitude or something. She really attends her client really well.
I got my teeth cleaned and filled by Dr. Abhinav. Dr. Abhinav is a very calm, composed and poised man who does his work with utmost sincerity. And I would definitely recommend everybody to come and visit Espin Dental Clinic and get his or her teeth checked by Dr. Abhinav.
So if you're looking for a more sophisticated dental treatment, which is also comfortable, we'll be happy to help you.
Your journey through orthodontics, with braces or without braces, starts here at Espin Dental.